Hit the road, don't even check out, cause they told me ice my neck out. Been humble for too long and I stay strong so I can flex now. Walking with my chest out, I walk past, they put their head down. Don't know why I'm at my pockets fat, cause I'm a cash cow. Always been a stand-up girl, no funny, now I stand out. You wanna rock, I'll roll with it, well I'ma bring the bend.
What's up, y'all? We go to Corral eating and let's go. This is Zori. This is how she eat this everything. Little pig. Here's my food. And go to Corral. Get some good food out here. No steaks if it ain't after 4. I'm gonna get a slushie. Right over here. At the slushie machine. Okay, y'all, I got me a.
Mom, stop.
So we're leaving now. It's time to go.
Mom, so it's not me.
Yes, it's about to stop. Good thing I brought my coat. What's up, y'all? Just left Go to Corral. Now we're about to go to the store. See y'all there. Okay, y'all, so we made it in Walmart. And they have their Christmas stuff out. Ooh, I'm getting me a stocking this year. I'm getting stocking every year. Uh-oh, $2 each. These are $2 each, y'all. A little clearance rack. Let's go through it and see what they got. Well, these are $9, so I really don't understand why it says $2 each. I guess it's the top part. Everything. Well, it say everything on this rack. This rack, $2. So, where did the $9 come from? I'm not sure, but it says $2. We're going to the Goodwill in Bristol, Virginia. Let's see if they got something in here that we can cop real quick. I don't really get clothes from here, but ooh, an umbrella. I already got an umbrella. I'm trying to see if we got any okay, so we're in the back looking at the little items. These are cute. I like stuff like this. Are they like cupcake holders or something? I don't know. So, these are cute. Little coaster set. Eat. What else do they say? Can't see. Oh, eat, drink, be happy. Those are cute. Just a lot of knickknacks. Knick-knack, paddywhack. M&M's, that's collectible M&M's dispensers. Oh, y'all, look at this rainbow. Look like the end is over there where the school is at. That's crazy, ain't it? Coming right off the ground. No, he didn't. Okay, guys, now we're going to TJ Maxx.
Yes, you did.
He definitely didn't say that, Zori.
Well, y'all know what time it is. You have reached the end of my video. Please enjoy this beautiful rainbow and like, share, and subscribe.
Hit the road, don't even check out, cause they told me ice my neck out. Been humble for too long and I stay strong so I can flex now. Walking with my chest out, I walk past, they put their head down. Don't know why I'm at my pockets fat, cause I'm a cash cow. Always been a stand-up girl, no funny, now I stand out. You wanna rock, I'll roll with it, well I'ma bring the bend out.